Hey guys, welcome back, and we are back here at Goldman Cars and Detailing, and right behind me is the family 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser LC200. Now, I had this car coated with ceramic coating around 2 years back, but just like any other ceramic coating out there, if it's not maintained properly, after a while, it's still gonna look like this. No matter how much you take care of your car, unless it gets proper ceramic coating maintenance, it's still gonna look pretty bad. And so Goldman Cars and Detailing has introduced the first ever membership detailing here in the Philippines, and they're gonna give me the bronze membership trial on this Toyota Land Cruiser right here. So to just give you one quick walk around right here, you can see that water spots are all just sticking to it. The ceramic coating is not doing a good job anymore. Even on the chrome pieces, they really don't look good anymore. Now we move on here to the side, and you can see that I also have a lot of these scratches right here. Good thing is that they are not deep enough. Detailing will still work. Goldman Cars and Detailing will do all of that for me. The plate holder area also looks like muck already, so we're going to transform this ugly looking Toyota Land Cruiser into a glorious and big Toyota Land Cruiser once again. They also have a very nice work bay right here. So aside from the Land Cruiser, they're also doing the next gen Ford Everest. They even have a Toyota Alphard right there. And they even have a BMW 3 Series right here to be restored to a brand new look. Now, I want to run you through how the membership works here at Goldman Cars and Detailing. So you get 3 different types of membership: bronze, silver, and gold. Prices are dependent on the size of your vehicle. So for smaller vehicles such as coupes and sedans, it starts at 40,000 pesos for bronze, you get 55,000 pesos for silver, and 75,000 pesos for gold. For SUVs, these larger vehicles, it starts at 45,000 pesos and tops out at 80,000 pesos. In bronze membership, you get detailing, you get ceramic coating, and for the next 3 years, you also get 6 maintenance sessions. So instead of wiping that ceramic coating on your car, it's going to be some sort of a spray ceramic coating for the maintenance. If you bump up all the way to the gold membership, you get unlimited maintenance, and you even get interior detailing as part of the package. So it is pretty cool. And the best part about this is that you don't even ever need to wait for a car wash. You can just come up here only for members, and they will wash your car almost immediately. No more waiting in line. And here is Toyota Land Cruiser now after just 2 days. Goldman Cars and Detailing has done an excellent job of restoring the beauty and the luster of the paint of this LC200 right here. I mean, we have this handy light with me. I'm just gonna shine it all around the paint, and all of those hairline scratches, those swirl marks, I can see that they are all gone. It looks like it's fresh out of the showroom. In fact, it looks better than when it first rolled off the showroom. Remember how there used to be pretty bad scratches here on the side? Well, it's totally gone now. It looks brand new once again. And the best part about all of this is that it's gonna stay like this for the next 3 years at the minimum because of the bronze membership that I have with this car right here. So remember, in those 3 years, I get 6 included maintenance on this car right here. So they're gonna do that spray thing to reapply and maintain the ceramic coating that the car has. So for the next 3 years, I'm gonna have a brand new looking vehicle. Check them out now on their socials at Goldman Cars and Detailing, and they will soon also have a website as well as a mobile app.